Have you considered the often neglected realm of kidney-friendly foods in your quest for a healthier lifestyle? While we regularly highlight the importance of heart-healthy and brain-boosting nutrients, the critical role of kidney health often takes a backseat until complications surface. In this in-depth exploration, we aim to shed light on the crucial aspects of preserving kidney health, gaining insights into the renal diet, and discovering a range of foods that not only bolster kidney function but also bring additional health advantages. Join us on this journey as we unravel the secrets to nurturing your kidneys and fostering overall well-being. The kidneys, each approximately the size of a cell phone, play a crucial role in filtering waste, regulating blood pressure, and producing hormones. Filtering around 45 gallons of blood daily, equivalent to half a cup of blood filtration every minute, these bean-shaped organs are integral to our overall well-being. Factors such as high blood pressure, diabetes, obesity, smoking, and genetic predispositions can lead to waste buildup, resulting in diseases like chronic kidney disease, CKD, affecting nearly 15% of Americans. A simple modification in diet, known as the renal diet, can significantly impact kidney health. This diet involves careful management of sodium, potassium, phosphorus, and protein intake, with specific requirements varying based on individual conditions, from dialysis patients to those in the early stages of kidney disease. Number 1. Apples. Research affirms that apples play a pivotal role in diminishing the risk of hyperkalemia in individuals with chronic kidney disease, CKD. Their versatility shines as they become a refreshing addition to a myriad of recipes, offering not just a tantalizing taste, but also a kidney-friendly option. With a composition low in sodium, moderate in potassium, and minimal in phosphorus, apples stand out as a valuable dietary inclusion. Beyond their potential to enhance kidney health, the crisp and wholesome nature of apples elevates the culinary experience, making them an accessible and delicious choice for those mindful of their renal well-being. Number 2. Berries. Incorporating an array of berries, such as cranberries, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and grapes, into your diet goes beyond mere taste. It becomes a proactive step in enhancing renal function. Abundant in antioxidants, essential vitamins, and minerals, these berries contribute to an overall improvement in health, transcending the specific focus on kidney well-being. Their collective nutritional profile not only supports kidney function but also offers a myriad of additional health benefits. From bolstering the immune system to promoting cardiovascular health, these vibrant and flavorful berries stand as a delicious and wholesome choice for those seeking a well-rounded approach to their dietary habits. Number 3. Green leafy vegetables. Embracing a spectrum of green leafy vegetables, including spinach, kale, green cabbage, celery, and arugula, proves to be a commendable decision for both taste and nutrition. While acknowledging that some of these greens are comparatively high in potassium, their consumption in moderation becomes a feasible option, especially for individuals not undergoing dialysis. Beyond the potential potassium concerns, these vegetables offer a wealth of essential nutrients, from fiber to various vitamins and minerals. Incorporating this diverse range into your diet ensures a well-rounded nutritional approach, contributing to overall health and emphasizing the importance of mindful consumption for optimal well-being. Number 4. Lemons. Renowned for their immune-boosting properties, lemons emerge as a powerhouse of essential nutrients that extend beyond their zesty flavor. These citrus wonders play a crucial role in elevating citrate levels, a key component in diminishing kidney stone pain and facilitating their dissolution. Packed with vitamin C, B-complex, iron, calcium, magnesium, silicone, copper, and potassium, lemons contribute not only to kidney health, but also overall well-being. Their antibacterial, anti-cancer, and antiseptic attributes underscore the multifaceted benefits of this citrus jam. By incorporating lemons into your diet, you not only enhance the flavor of dishes, but also fortify your body's defense mechanisms. Number 5. Onions and garlic. Onions and garlic, beyond imparting rich flavors, prove to be invaluable additions laden with health benefits. Their inclusion in the diet not only enhances taste but also brings anti-inflammatory properties to the table, promoting overall well-being. These aromatic ingredients extend support to gut bacteria, acting as prebiotics that nurture a healthy digestive system. However, prudent moderation is essential, considering their phosphorus content, especially for individuals with kidney concerns. Despite this caution, incorporating onions and garlic into a balanced diet ensures a culinary experience that not only tantalizes the taste buds, but also aligns with a holistic approach to health. Number 6. Cauliflower. Cauliflower emerges as a kidney-friendly substitute for potatoes, offering a myriad of health benefits that contribute to an optimal renal diet. Abundant in folate, fiber, and an array of essential vitamins, cauliflower not only complements the taste of various dishes, but also serves as a nutritional powerhouse. Its versatility allows for creative culinary exploration, from cauliflower rice to vibrant, colorful dishes. As a low-phosphorus and kidney-friendly option, it aligns with dietary recommendations for those managing kidney health. By incorporating cauliflower into meals, individuals not only diversify their palate but also enhance their overall nutritional intake, fostering a wholesome and kidney-conscious dietary approach. Number 7. Cucumbers. Crisp and hydrating, raw cucumbers play a pivotal role in kidney health. With minimal sodium, they function as natural cleansers, promoting kidney function and aiding in the regulation of uric acid levels, thereby reducing the risk of kidney stone formation. Despite their benefits, individuals in the early stages of kidney disease should exercise caution due to cucumbers' high water content. While the hydrating aspect is advantageous, moderation becomes essential to strike a balance that aligns with the specific needs of those navigating early-stage kidney conditions. Number 8. Fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, tuna, herring, and sardines, when expertly prepared, present a delectable source of omega-3 fatty acids. Renowned for their ability to lower blood pressure and curb inflammation, these fatty fish make a suitable dietary choice, particularly for individuals undergoing dialysis. The crisp preparation not only enhances their appeal but also ensures a palatable and nutritious option that aligns with the specific dietary considerations for those managing kidney health. Number 9. Radishes and turnips. These root vegetables are rich in antioxidants, known to reduce the risk of heart disease and cataracts. Their nutrient profile makes them valuable additions to kidney-friendly meals. Number 10. Asparagus. Despite containing some potassium, asparagus is a powerhouse of nutrients, including fiber, folate, antioxidants, and vitamin C, reducing the risk of heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. It's important to notice that certain fruits like bananas, avocados, dates, prunes, apricots, raisins, and star fruit are high in potassium and may not be suitable for individuals with kidney issues. Understanding these limitations can guide healthier grocery choices. In conclusion, prioritizing kidney health through a well-managed renal diet can significantly contribute to overall well-being. The discussed foods not only support kidney function but also offer a myriad of additional health benefits. Remember to consult with healthcare professionals, especially if dealing with kidney-related conditions, to tailor dietary choices to individual needs. By incorporating kidney-friendly foods into our daily lives, we take a proactive step towards ensuring the optimal functioning of these vital organs. If you find this video informative, please consider showing your support by giving it a like, subscribing to our channel, and sharing it with others. Your engagement helps us continue to provide valuable content. Thank you for being part of our community.